Hi friends, and today we will talk more about the Instagram app and we will show you how to save Instagram posts, reels, etc. smoothly. Let's go to the Instagram. Right now we are on the home page and we will show you how to save, as an example, this post. So to do it successfully, we need to pick on this saved option here at the bottom. Ta-da! Remember that we also have the Save to Collection feature, and if you want, you can create a special collection for the selected post. So I will repeat the settings to pick on the inscription. In this way, we can create our new collection. Just set the needful name and title for it. I will set something like, nice, as an example, the easy word, and tap on the Save to confirm my actions. Amazing! Right now this post is saved to my specific collection in the saved folder. Okay, so this was settings. These were settings about the post saving, but what to do if we want to save the selected reel? I am on the For You page right now and I have some reel here as an example, and I have different reels. And as you can see, we don't have this cool feature, cool button to save. So we have another option. Just tap on the three dots icon and click on the save feature here, because the reels has another layout. Okay, so when we did it, let's check our saved videos after going to the account. So how to get access to the saved videos? As I said before, we need to pick on the three lines option here and tap on the saved option on the appeared bar. In this way, we can get access to the all posts, all saved posts, and also to our created collections. As you can see, we have our newly created one, nice. And also we can different options to filter. As an example, using this option, we will get access to the all posts, and tapping on the second one icon, we will get access only to the reels list of our saved reels. So right now I hope that you know how to smoothly control this and use this saved option. And I forgot to say how to unsave the selected posts. We just only need to pick on the same option as before to unsave it. Later, as you can see, we have two different ways to remove it from the whole list of all of the saved posts, or to remove it only from the selected collection. I will, as an example, remove it from the whole list. Let's pick on the second option and go back to refresh my settings and check the result. Yes, as you can see right now, I don't have the selected post on my all saved post list, and it was really very easy, simple way to manage this saved option, to create some new collections, and this will help you to navigate after on your saved posts list. Guys, don't forget about likes. If you have some questions, don't forget about the comments option below, and also subscribe to our channel to find out even more cool phone tricks. Goodbye!